Hi and welcome to the 3D model tutorial. I'll show you how to take 2D plans and to set them up for isometric drawings. Our first step is to change the architectural units. Under the Home tab, select Drawing Utilities and Units. Select Architectural under Type and Inches under Insertion Scale. Next, we need to turn off all layers except for 07 base plan. Next, under Layer Properties, select Create New Layer and name it 3D Base Plan. And select a color that will be clearly visible. Next, we need to trace the base plan using polylines. With the polyline command, start tracing the thickness of the walls. Until you have a complete closed polyline. Once we've traced all of the walls that we want to model, turn off the 3D base plan and we'll start to trace the furniture system panels in a new layer that we'll name 3D System Panels. Using the same polyline command, trace the thicknesses of the system panels until it's a complete closed polyline. Once all the system panels have been traced, we can turn off that layer and turn on Floor Gross. Select the polyline which traces the entire floor, and under Layers, select Copy Objects to New Layer. Select the option Name by typing N, and create a new layer. After you turn off Floor Gross, turn on 08 Regions, create a new layer called 3D Regions, select all of the 3D polylines and copy objects to new layer to copy them to the layer that you just created, called 3D regions. Next, turn off all the regions layers and turn on 3D base plan. In the bottom corner, select 3D modeling so that our workspace is set up for 3D modeling. Select the view and change to realistic, and under View, select Southwest Isometric. Select all the polylines, and under Home, press Extrude and type in the height of the walls. Once your 3D solids have been created, select, and under Properties, select a color. Next, under Solid Editing, select Color Faces, select the top face, and select a color such as black, and repeat for all the other walls. Next, turn off the 3D base plan and turn on 3D system panels, and repeat the same process. Select the polylines, extrude to half the height wall. Change the color under Properties. And under View Panel Properties, turn off the 3D System Panels layer and turn on Floor Gross and 3D Floor. Select the polyline, and under Home, Modeling Planar Surface, type O or Object in the command line and select the polyline. This will create a planar surface from our polyline. Under Properties, change the color, and under U and V isolines, change the values to 0. Once selected, click the Z axis and move down about 1/2 inch. Next, turn off the 3D floor and turn on 3D regions. Under Home, select Planar Surface again. And type Object. Select all the polylines, and this will create planar surfaces. Select the planar surfaces and change their color. and U and V values to 0. Next, turn off all the 3D layers and turn on text, text occupancy, text room, and text title block layers. Next, change the visual style to 2D wireframe and the view to top. Next, select the room occupancy number, and under Express Tools, select Convert to mText. And under Home, under Modify, select Scale, and scale to a factor of about 3. This will make the numbers appear in a realistic setting, and it'll allow us to be able to move them to the top of the height of the walls by selecting the Z-axis and typing in the height. Once all the text has been modified, turn on all layers select the Layout tab in the bottom, and under Output, select Page Setup Manager, Modify, and change the paper size to tabloid or 17 by 11. Select the Viewport object and resize to the edges of the page. Leaving enough room to the right for the table. Select the object, and under Properties, select Color and select a white. And under Shade Plot and Visual Style, select Realistic. Next, press Paper to change to model mode and adjust the view using the Free Orbit command to adjust to the right angle. Next, press Model to go back to paper mode, and go back to our original drawing. Change the view to 2D wireframe and top. Select the title object and create a block under Insert, Block, Create, and name Title. Press OK and select a coordinate for the base point, and close Block Editor. Do the same for the building title object. and for the floor title. Next, go back to the Layout tab. Press Annotate, Table. Change the row styles to title for the second row and the columns to 2.